Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach Science of Class 6, the second chapter. Let's see. The second chapter is components of food. It's your second chapter. So let's start. Do you know the meaning of components? What component means? घटक. Okay. So भोजन के घटक. Let's see. To know about means इस चैप्टर के विषय में थोड़ी सी जानकारी. The components of food. Second topic, their sources and significance for human health. And third, a balanced diet. And fourth, deficiency disease. Okay. So let's start our chapter. Now see, in chapter first, we studied about the great variety of food items that are eaten by us. Yes, we studied so many things in the chapter first, and there we were studied a variety of foods, right? Whatever we are eating. Okay. Now see, in general, our food consists of milk and milk products, cereals like wheat and rice, pulses like green gram and pigeon pea, sugar, oil, ghee, eggs, fish and meat. Okay. In generally, what we are eating in our food, we are taking the milk or milk products like what, cheese, curd, like that. And in cereal, what we are taking? We are taking wheat and rice, as well as in pulses, what we are eating? We are eating green gram, pigeon pea, that is also known as moong and arahar. Okay. Now, sugar, oil, ghee, eggs, fish and meat also we are taking in our general diet. Okay, in general food. The question that arises is, what do these different food items contain? The question that here is a question arises about what? About the food. What about food? That a particular food items contain so many things. Okay, that is known as components. Okay, each foods have different components. Is it? See, what will happen if our meal consists only of a single food item? Means what? If our food means whatever we are taking in our daily food diet, if we are taking such a food which is consists of single type of item, then what will happen? Means what type of scarcity or problem we can face? Let's see. Or which type of profit we can get? Let's see. To find out the answers to these questions, let us study the different components of food. Means whatever the questions are coming in our mind related to food items as well as their components. For that clearance, we have to study this chapter. The chapter name is what? Components of food. Okay. So next topic is, you can see easily, components of food. What? Components of food means भोजन के घटक. Okay. Let's see. The food that we eat consists of different components. Means whatever the food we are eating in our daily diet, each consists of different components. Okay, means made up of different material, or you can say ingredients. Okay, so let's see. These are called nutrients. Whatever the components mixed in food, that are known as nutrients. Okay, nutrients are in fact, what are the nutrients? Let's see. In fact, what will be? Chemical substance present in food. Means, what is nutrients? Nutrients is a chemical substance. What? Chemical substance. Okay, present in food means whatever the present in our food in the form of chemical substance, which provide energy and main materials needed by our body. That chemical substance present in food provide us what? Energy as well as body needed materials. That is known as nutrients. Okay, in Hindi we can know nutrients means पोषक तत्व. What? पोषक तत्व. Are you getting? Good. Means पोषक तत्व means what? Such elements which are provided by the foods as well as they are present in where? In our food. Okay, and they provide as well as maintain our requirement. Okay, let's see. 7 components are present in food. How many components? 7 components present in our food. Means whatever the foods we are eating, there are how many components? 7 components in each food. Okay, see, these are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water. These components are available in our food. Okay, what are those? Carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water. Are you getting? Good. Now see, certain types of food contain only one nutrient. Means a single, or we can say counted food items or food contain only and only one nutrients. Either there will be present carbohydrate or protein or fats or vitamins, minerals, fibers and water. Okay, means there may be available only and only one nutrient. Okay, for example, sugar. Sugar is a food in which only and only carbohydrate is present. Okay, except carbohydrate, there is no any other nutrients. Other types of food may be rich in one particular nutrient. Is what? Other types of food मीन्स अलग प्रकार के जो अदर प्रकार के अलग अलग टाइप्स के जो दूसरे प्रकार के फूड्स होते हैं मे बी रिच इन वन पार्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. मीन्स दे मे बी रिच इन ओनली एंड ओनली लाइक कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर रिच इन ओनली एंड ओनली प्रोटीन्स. सच other foods may be available in our diet, but many may contain other nutrients as well as. जबकि वही कुछ और ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऐसे फूड्स हो सकते जिसमें कि अदर मीन्स एक्सेप्ट वन मीन्स देयर विल बी अवेलेबल मोर देन 2, 3. Okay, let's see. For example, meat is a rich source of proteins, but it also contains fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, means here is a meat. Meat is a not a single single nutrients component food, but meat is multi nutrients food where so many nutrients are available like proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. That is, if we take meat in our food, we can get what? Proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, now see carbohydrates. Okay, first of all we see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving compounds energy giving compounds. If we require energy, we must take such food which have or which consist or which have the component as carbohydrates. Okay, the bulk of our food consists of carbohydrates. Bulk of our food consists of carbohydrates means whatever the foods we are taking, in that so many foods or maximum foods are only consist of carbohydrates. Okay, let's see. The two types of carbohydrates are, okay, carbohydrates have the two types. First one is sugar and second one is starch. In detail, let's see. Sugar and starch. Sugar is known as what? A simple carbohydrates. Means it's very simple. It can be digested as well as present in daily life, eating materials. Okay, and starch. And what starch is a complex carbohydrates. Means its structure and composition is very complex. Okay, are you getting? Good. So these are the types of what? Carbohydrates. Are you getting? Good. Now see, foods rich in carbohydrates are potato, bread, table sugar, honey, rice, wheat, milk, jaggery, and fruit like mango, banana, and papaya. In these, you can see in figure honey in this bottle. This one is bread, and this one is papaya, and this is a what? Glass where is milk is filled, and paneer, potatoes, as well as bananas. All these food items are rich in carbohydrates. Means if we are taking one of these, we get in a large amount of carbohydrates. Are you getting? Good. Now here is an activity 2.1. Okay, so this activity you read it and do on yourself. Okay, now see fats are also energy giving compounds. Okay, do you know the meaning of compounds? Compound means what? Yogurt. Okay, means such a food items which is consist of more than two elements is known as compound. Are you getting? So fat is also energy giving compounds. Means if we eat such food which are rich in fats, we get in the large amount energy. Okay, now see, but they give much more energy than carbohydrates. Means fats rich food or items give us in a large amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates. Means carbohydrates provide us in a less amount of energy, but fats provide us in a large amount of energy. Are you getting? Good. Now see, foods rich in fats include, means those food which are rich in fats are including what the things? See, in the first, milk products such as butter, ghee, and cheese are animal fats. Okay, these are included in the such foods which are rich in fats. And next, meat, animal fat. Okay, in meat what we get? In a large amount of fats. Next, vegetable oils. In vegetable oils such as groundnut oil and coconut oil, we also get fats. Okay, now next, dry fruits like cashew, nut, and almond. In these we also get the fats in large amount. Are you getting? You can see easily the figures of respected food items. Let's see: coconut oil, cashew nuts, groundnut, and here mustard oil, almonds. Okay, these are what? Plant sources. Now here is also given animal sources. What are the animal sources? Listen carefully and watch also. Butter, cream, milk, eggs, fish, meat. These are what? These are the animals sources. Which type of sources? These are the fats rich animal sources. Okay, or which are provide us fats in large amount. Okay, now here is another activity 2.2. you can see here it's a experiment. You have to read it first of all to yourself and then do it. Okay, for only up to this for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Okay, bye bye, take care.